Up first, this evening, the curfew hours have been revised for the Christmas season. Prime Minister Andrew Holness told Parliament today that it will begin at 10 p.m. starting Friday. Jamaicans will also get an extra hour on the roads on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. Vashon Brown has the details.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness came to the House of Representatives on Tuesday with changes to the COVID-19 containment measures effective December 10 to January 14. First up, the curfew hours.
The curfew hours will be from 10 p.m. nightly to 5 a.m. the following morning. So we have moved the curfews up 1 hour through this period.
On December 24, Christmas Eve or Grand Market, arguably the busiest shopping day of the year, different curfew hours will apply.
Curfew will commence past midnight and start at 1 a.m. early Christmas morning. So and for New Year's Eve night, December 31st, the curfew will commence after midnight at 1 a.m. early on New Year's Day.
The gathering limit remains at 10. Jamaicans will also be able to spend an extra hour at beaches, rivers and water attractions. The closing time for these places will move from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. In the meantime, the mandatory work from home order for the public sector will come to an end on December 31.
There have been a number of concerns expressed about the loss of productivity that this measure is having. We need to get back to normal, but of course, to do so safely. This is not to say that we are abandoning work from home totally. It will be an option, but not a requirement. Individual ministries, departments, and agencies should assess their own circumstances and determine what is best.
The government recently imposed travel restrictions on passengers from 8 southern African countries due to the new variant of COVID-19, Omicron. Since then, the variant has been reported in many European countries and in the United States, leading to criticisms that travel bans are being imposed inconsistently.
Given that the variant has now been seen in nearly 40 countries and in 17 states in the United States, the Ministry of Health and Wellness is now reviewing the situation. At some point, the virus will become the dominant strain and make the ban pointless. So, Madam Speaker, given our open economy, it is inevitable that the Omicron, this one always gives a little difficulty. Omicron, that the Omicron variant will enter Jamaica at some point.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.